everyone, I'm Mika Mizamora. So my assigned topic is gene mutation. So what is gene? Genes are the fundamental units of heredity segments of DNA that carry instructions of life. A gene is a small section of DNA that carries instructions for making a specific protein. This instruction controls how the body grows, develops, and functions, and they determine traits such as eye color, height, and blood type. What is gene mutation? A gene mutation is any change in the nitrogenous base sequence of a DNA molecule. This fundamental shift is the starting point for all genetic variation. Mutation can be caused by random errors during DNA copying, exposure to mutagens, example radiation, certain chemicals. How mutations affect proteins. A change in the DNA sequence caused by a mutation can directly alter the amino acid sequence. When the amino acid sequence changes, it can significantly affect the protein's overall shape. Because a protein structure determines its function, a change in a shape often means the protein can no longer do its job correctly, or its function might even change. Effect of mutation. It is harmful. Sometimes a mutation causes a significant alteration to a protein structure, preventing it from performing its intended function. This can lead to serious health issues, diseases, or disorders within an organism. Example, cystic fibrosis. A mutation affects the protein responsible for transforming salt and water across cell membranes, leading to thick mucus buildup. Somatic mutation. If a mutation occurs in somatic or body tissues, its effects are generally limited to the cells and tissues immediately surrounding the mutated cell. These mutations are not inherited offspring. So, kaning somatic mutation is dili siya egg cell. This type of mutation cannot be passed to children, only affect the person who has it. Often happens due to aging, radiation, chemicals, or mistakes when cells divide. Germline mutation. If a mutation occurs in the primary life cell or germline cell, it can be passed on to offspring that result from fertilization. These mutations enter the gene pool and contribute to variation within a species. So germline mutation, it is this is a sperm cell that can be passed to the children. In simple terms, germline mutation it occurs in cells that create offspring. It is inherited by the next generation. DNA, the building blocks of life. DNA is a polymer made of repeating chemical units called nucleotides. Thousands of these units comprise a single DNA molecule, making it one of the largest organic compounds. The molecule that carries the genetic instruction for the development and function of all living organisms. It contains the information that makes each species unique and is passed from parents to offspring. DNA molecules. Nasa itulugan na kuan sa DNA molecule. First is the phosphate group, a chemical group made up of phosphorus and oxygen, forming the backbone of the DNA strand. The oxyribose sugar, a 5-carbon sugar composed of carbon, oxygen, and hydrogen, also part of the DNA backbone. Nitrogenous base, a chemical unit composed of carbon, oxygen, hydrogen, and nitrogen. These are the letters of the genetic code: adenine, thymine, cytosine, and guanine. The genetic code. The genetic code is at the heart of the central dogma of a molecular biology, the process by which genetic information flows from the DNA to RNA to protein. This intricate decoding mechanism is what ultimately brings genes to life, dictating the traits and functions of every living organism.